Welcome to the next video on VAP. Continuing with the module that is dealing with the societal values. In this video we are going to talk about the fundamental rights. So in brief we are going to see what are the fundamental rights mentioned in the Indian Constitution, and in the second part we will be dealing in detail with each of the fundamental rights. So fundamental rights inspired by or influenced by England's Bill of Rights, United States Bill of Rights, and France Declaration of the Rights of the Man. Basically, when we talk about fundamental right, it is inalienable right of a man. So it had its origin in the Indian independence movement, and this movement strove to achieve the values of liberty and social welfare as the goals of independent Indian state. So, fundamental rights are the rights above the ordinary laws. We have to keep this in mind. These are above the ordinary laws. So, what are these? You can see right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, and right to property. It was initially in our constitution made a fundamental right, but later on it was repealed as the fundamental right and made only a legal right. So we have mentioned it in red color so that you can easily distinguish that these are the rights currently available in our constitution as fundamental right. So let us see one by one. Right to equality. Part 3 of our constitution deal with the fundamental rights, and article 14 to 18 of part 3 deals with right to equality. Let us see one by one. Equality before law. Article 14 says. Article 15 says prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, sex, caste or place of birth. As per Article 16, equality of opportunity in public employment should be provided. Article 17 states that abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles. Next is right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. Freedom of speech. Article 19. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 20. Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21. Right to education. Article 21A. And protection against arrest and detention. Article 22. Right against exploitation. Article 23 to 24. Prohibition of traffic in human and bonded labor. Article 23. Prohibition of employment of children in factories. Article 24. Right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. Freedom of conscience and free propagation of religions, profession, practice and propagation as per Article 25. Article 26 provides freedom to manage religious affairs. As per Article 27, freedom from tax payment for promotion of religion. Article 28, freedom from attending religious instructions in educational institution. Cultural and educational rights, Article 29 and 30. Protection of interest of minorities, Article 29, and right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution is as per Article 30. Right to property, Article 31. As we have earlier said that by the 44th Amendment 1978, this now it stands repealed. It was deleted as the constitutional right and made as a legal right under Article 300A. Next is right to constitutional remedies, Article 32, that is remedies for reinforcement. One can approach Supreme Court if he finds or she finds that the fundamental rights have been infringed.